Hello YouTube. Today I will show you how to upgrade memory to my late 2011 MacBook Pro 13 inches. First of all, the new MacBook Pro is not upgradable aftermarket. Only MacBook Pro that are earlier than mid-2012 can upgrade memory. My MacBook Pro has a 4GB memory and I am going to upgrade it to 8GB. And that's the max you can install for MacBook Pro 13 inches. Please don't go overboard. For best performance, fill both memory slots, installing an equal memory module in each slot. Let's now begin. MacBook Pro 13 inches use 1333 MHz DDR3 memory. I have purchased Corsair 8GB memory kit from Amazon for about $80. And next we have to remove the bottom case. First of all, we shut down the MacBook Pro, disconnect the power adapter, Ethernet cable, USB cable, security lock, and any other cable connected to the MacBook Pro to prevent damaging the computer. Turn over your MacBook Pro and remove 10 screws that secure the bottom case. Because the screws are different length, know the screw length and location so that you can replace the screw correctly. Put them aside in a safe place. Lift off the case and place it to the side. And the screwdriver that I use to open this case is number 0 Phillips screwdriver. I believe that the number 00 also works, but I have not tried. After you remove the case, make sure you touch a metal surface inside the computer to discharge any static electricity from your body. The Apple computer hardwares are beautifully organized. The green strips are the original memory, and we are about to take those out. Okay, to remove the existing memory, push the lever on the side of the memory module in an outward direction to release the module from the memory card slot. The memory pops up at an angle before removing it. Make sure you find the half circle notches. If you don't, try pressing the lever outward again. Hold the memory modules by its notches and remove it from the slot. And then you can remove the other memory modules. One thing to keep in mind is to hold the memory modules by the edges and do not touch the gold connector. And for this particular brand of memory kit, the label is always facing you, and that's the right way to insert the memory kit. To install the new memory, align the notches on the gold edges of the module with the notch in the lower memory slot. Tilt the card and push the memory into the slot. Use 2 fingers with firm, even pressure to push down on the memory module. There should be a click when you insert the memory correctly. Repeat this procedure to install an additional memory module in the top slot. Press down on the module to make sure it is level. And then you are done and your computer is good to go.